Inventory management is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the efficient and effective control of raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods inventory. The primary goal of inventory management is to ensure that the right amount of inventory is available at the right time to meet customer demand while minimizing the cost of holding inventory. This service involves a range of activities, including forecasting demand, setting inventory levels, tracking inventory movements, and replenishing inventory as needed. Effective inventory management is essential for manufacturing companies to maintain a competitive edge in the market. By optimizing inventory levels, companies can reduce the risk of stockouts, minimize excess inventory, and improve cash flow. Additionally, inventory management can help companies improve their production planning and scheduling, reduce lead times, and enhance customer service levels. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of high-quality wooden pallets, crates, and boxes. As a leading player in the industry, Berkness Company understands the importance of effective inventory management in ensuring customer satisfaction and maintaining a competitive edge. The company has implemented robust inventory management systems and processes to ensure that it can meet customer demand while minimizing inventory holding costs. Berkness Company's inventory management system is designed to provide real-time visibility into inventory levels, movements, and trends. The company uses advanced forecasting techniques to predict demand and set optimal inventory levels. Additionally, the company has implemented a just-in-time (JIT) inventory system that allows it to replenish inventory quickly and efficiently. If you are interested in learning more about inventory management and how it can benefit your manufacturing company, Berkness Company is an excellent resource. The company has a team of experienced professionals who can provide expert advice and guidance on inventory management best practices. To learn more, visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website and fill out the contact form. A representative will be in touch shortly to answer any questions you may have. FAQs. 1. What is inventory management in manufacturing? Inventory management in manufacturing refers to the process of overseeing and controlling the flow of raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods within a manufacturing facility. It involves tracking inventory levels, monitoring stock movements, and ensuring that the right materials are available at the right time to meet production demands. 2. Why is inventory management important in manufacturing? Effective inventory management is critical to the success of a manufacturing operation. It helps to minimize stockouts, reduce excess inventory, and optimize production processes. By maintaining optimal inventory levels, manufacturers can improve their cash flow, reduce carrying costs, and increase customer satisfaction by ensuring timely delivery of products. 3. What are some common inventory management techniques used in manufacturing? There are several inventory management techniques used in manufacturing, including just-in-time (JIT), inventory, economic order quantity (EOQ), and material requirements planning (MRP). JIT inventory involves ordering materials and supplies only when they are needed, while EOQ involves calculating the optimal order quantity based on demand and carrying costs. MRP is a computer-based system that uses data on production schedules, inventory levels, and lead times to determine the optimal amount of materials to order. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.